So hello guys, welcome back to the channel Drive with Tanish. Today we gonna talk about poor mileage issues and low power issues and exhaust from the black smoke issues in car. This is our car Chevrolet Sail Diesel 1.3 liter Smart Tech diesel engine. This is a 2014 variant car. So let's talk about the common issues of the pure mileage. There are a lot of issues like the nozzle injector, the EGR valve, and other the manifold absolute pressure sensor which is located here. But first of all, the air filter. In my case, air filter is good, but we have to look into the near the air filter box. There is a sensor. This is called the mass airflow sensor. Means manifold mass airflow sensor, maximum airflow sensor. So this sensor measures the temperature of the air and the value of the air, means how many mass of the air is entering to our engine. Then he, on the data of this sensor, he, the ECU which is located here, command the injector to fire directly. If you are suffering with black smoke issues, like if you have dirty mass airflow sensor, then definitely you will suffer from black smoke issues, low power issues, low mileage issues, and also hard starting issues. Hard starting issue is a later subject, that is on a severe case, but the main concern is a low mileage, black smoke, and low power issues, sluggish acceleration issues. So if we want to improve the sensors command, so we have to clean this. For cleaning this, you can see that here is located a T screw. This is a T 15 or 10 mm. I am not sure about this. I used a screwdriver which is type this star head. I will see you star head screwdriver, which is star head screwdriver cannot be used here. You can use a flathead screwdriver, which is this is simply called a tester. You can buy this for any electrical shop. Then definitely you can use this as a tool to remove the screw. You can see that how I have hold this. You can tight. If you want to tight this, then tie it into counterclockwise direction, this will get loose. If you tie this in clockwise direction, then this will get tight. And also, how to clean the mass airflow sensor. I have cleaned mine, but I have not recorded that shot. I will tell you, you will clean. This is a easy task. For cleaning, remove the mass airflow sensor from your air manifold. What is this? I don't know. From this air filter manifold, then you can use a heat spray, a petrol, and throttle body cleaner, mass airflow sensor cleaner, and a electronic contact cleaner. Basically, you have to clean the sensor, but does not have to spread any residue on the sensor. So if you spread any residue on the sensor, if the spray spread any residue of the sensor, and if that is not dried properly, the sensor will command a wrong method and also wrong air fuel ratio to the ECU. Then everything goes in deep area. So you have to just unplug the sensor. You can use petrol or heat spray. If you have not heat spray, just use a petrol. If you want to clean this, then open this and use a spray bottle. Then clean the sensors elements which are located inside. You can see that in your sensor also. This is applicable in Vista, Tata Manza, in quadrajet engines, Tista, Tata Manza, Swift, Ciaz, Ertiga, etc. Sail or Beat or etc. There are a lot of cars. You can clean the mass airflow sensor. There are cleaning of the mass airflow sensor is procedure same, but if you skip any procedure, then definitely you will not able to get that type of power of cleaning the mass airflow sensor. And some cases the mass airflow sensor goes bad after cleaning because of the method is wrong. So I will tell you what is the best method to clean the mass airflow sensor. First of all, unplug the mass airflow sensor, then use some petrol on a spray can, then spray the petrol on the mass airflow sensor element. You can see that in your mass airflow sensor. Then After cleaning, wait for 2 and 3 minutes, clean that thoroughly in vice versa 2 and 3 minutes, then leave the sensor for 50 minutes to 1 hour, then reinstall it. And before you cleaning and unplugging the connector of the master plus sensor, remember disconnect the battery's negative terminal. I have disconnected mine. This is a 10 mm bolt here. I have used this driver and a spanner to disconnect this. You can use yours as per your choice. You can use this. And also, this is the sensor, is a sensitive sensor. For most, the caution is when you are cleaning your sensor, just you have to remove the o-ring which is inside the sensor. If you sprayed any spray on the o-ring, then definitely your sensor's o-ring will get larger and don't fit in your inlet box. And if it does not fit, you can see there is a boost pressure leaking and also any type of air leaking in this system, which is not good for your car. Your car will become a more sluggish car in this. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to clean this and if you want to study any type of knowledge about vehicles, just see our videos. Drive with Tanish signing off.